Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles with yogurt. First, combine your dry ingredients. 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. This ensures a smooth, well-combined batter. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently with a whisk or spatula until just combined. It's crucial not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten too much, leading to tough waffles. A few small lumps are completely normal and actually a good sign. Let the batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the baking powder to activate, creating a lighter texture. Next, preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. Lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a brush of melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the hot iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffle is golden brown and steam stops escaping. This indicates it's perfectly cooked and ready. Once cooked, serve your delicious yogurt waffles immediately. They are fantastic with fresh berries, maple syrup, a dollop of extra yogurt, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. If you have any leftovers, they freeze beautifully. Just pop them into a toaster or oven to reheat for a quick breakfast later. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.